They call it the Chrome Honker, a ghost that haunts unfinished roads forever.
I'm not scared of any old legend.
I won't sleep near that tight. Slime near the tunnel tonight.
Statistically, ghosts are impossible yet.
I can't find the specialized wrench to fix Cito's engine anywhere.
Take your time, Hana.
I'll go get a replacement from the depot. Don't worry, I'll be back before the Chrome Honker knows I'm there. That's the Chrome Honker's footsteps. The Chrome Honker's eyes are glowing yellow.
It's real! The ghost is real!
I'm stuck. Wheel spinning, but I can't move.
Hey there, little bus. Need a pull?
Billy, yes, please. I didn't mean to scare anyone. I was just practicing. You're the Chrome Honker? Face it. I wanted to dig as fast as Poco, so I practiced secretly at dawn.
So the ghost was just hard work all along.
Your safety light reflecting in the fog looked like monster eyes.
I should have turned it off while practicing.
I'm sorry for trespassing into your restricted zone. And I'm sorry for causing panic with my noise.
Mistakes happen when we don't communicate.
Pull! 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 Pull!
I'm moving! I'm free! My fear made me lose focus and forget road safety. Stay on the designated path next time. Brave means asking questions, not just rushing in.
I faced the Chrome Honker and lived to tell the tale!
Did you really see the ghost? You were so brave!
Wait, why is there sand on your tires if you met a ghost?
Well, the ghost threw sand at me, obviously.
Sounds like you found friendship instead of ghosts.
And you got my wrench, too.
Come visit the official site anytime. I'll show you proper digging techniques now.
Remember, stay on the path and ask questions.